Is that your friend? Is that your friend, Mama? Is that your friend? Is that your friend? Is that your friend? Oh, it's okay, Otto. Come here. Come here. You okay? Otto. Come here, buddy. Is that your friend, Mommy? Is that your friend? Come here, Otto. Come here. Hi. I hope I got this on quick enough for you guys to see. She was actually trying to play with him. Like really trying to play with him for the first time this morning. Of course, she's bigger than him. She put her paw across his back, so I had to pick her paw back up. Come here, Otto. 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 Come here, baby boy. Come here, my baby boy. Come here. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Is that your friend? I know. That's your friend. That's your friend. You excited to have a friend in your room? Are you excited to have a friend in your room? Yes, you are. That's my sweet Senna. Hey, Senna. Hey, Mommy. Who's this? Who's this, Senna? Senna? I got your friend. You don't want your friend? I turned the camera on, now you don't want to play. Now she don't want to play. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's Friday, right? It is a nasty, nasty Friday here in South Florida at the rescue house. It is raining, and we are getting the dogs out in between the raindrops. It's getting hard to see you the closer you get, little one. Hi. Hi. Good morning, Otto. Good morning, Otto. So we are taking a little break inside the house, and I thought I would bring in little Otto to see Senna. Hi, Mommy. You're less than enthused that I took the phone out, aren't you? I know. I'm sorry, but it was so cute. I wanted everybody to see. You were playing with your little friend, and it was adorable. You're doing your little play bow and giving kisses and tails wagging. I'm sorry, Mommy. I had to pull out the camera. Look at that look she's giving me. She's like, you know I hate the phone. You know I hate that thing. Why do you always pull that thing out? Hi, Otto. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy. This little guy completely stolen my heart. He is the sweetest, most affectionate, loving, fun little guy. Not to mention, absolutely adorable. We are still working on getting everything with him situated as far as what's exactly going on medically and his long-term care as far as what medications will look like for him in his future. He had a consult with the amazing Dr. Cannon at Blue Pearl, the internal medicine specialist who has the distinct honor of having saved several of our rescue dogs' lives and several of our personal dogs' lives. She is beyond words amazing. So she is now on his case as well, and we're going to go over some things with the cardiologist that she works with over there as well, and we'll have another checkup in 2 weeks to see where we're at. He is being treated for anaplasmosis, and that is what we're tackling most heavily at the moment because the anaplasmosis could be causing some secondary issues with him. So we are now on a 6-week course of treating the anaplasmosis with doxycycline instead of the normal 4-week course. So we are at the 4 weeks now, so in 2 more weeks he will go back to see Dr. Cannon, and we will reevaluate everything, his blood work, his urine, his blood pressure. You got something on your nose. But he is doing really well and responding really well to the medications that he is on. His main problem, we believe, with as far as breathing is not due to the heart. It's due to his collapsing trachea, which he has a collapsing trachea in 2 places. So of course when he gets like uberly excited and rambunctious and playful, then of course, which happens in many small breed dogs, especially Yorkies, his trachea will collapse and it makes it hard for him to breathe, and then you just have to pick him up, have him calm down, and then the trachea relaxes and he can breathe normally again. He is on a cough suppressant 3 times a day to actually help with that, and it works really well for him. Hello, little man. Hello, little man. The paperwork at Miami-Dade said that he was approximately 8 years old, so we're putting him around that age. We're not entirely sure, but it's a guesstimate. And we do believe, I know we said in the beginning when we pulled him, we were pulling him as a hospice foster, but that was because he was in critical condition when we pulled him from the shelter. But once we got him to the hospital, got him in some oxygen, and got the proper meds on board, he was no longer critical, and we changed his status to adoptable instead of hospice. And we believe now more than ever, with the correct combinations of medications for him, he could go on to live a nice, long, happy life. Will he have to be on medications forever? Yes, most definitely. Will he have to be on the amount of medications that he is on now forever? We are hoping and praying that that is not the case. We will know more after our second meeting with Dr. Cannon in 2 weeks, but she is hopeful that we can potentially get him off some of the medications that he is on now by tweaking some things. But we do believe that he could have a nice, long, happy life with someone. He is for sure not considered hospice any longer. Hi. He is not fixed. No, he is not fixed, and he will not be fixed due to his medical condition. He actually has some tartar on his teeth too, which we unfortunately cannot do either because it is super risky to put him under. Not only because of his whatever is going on with his heart condition, the collapsing trachea. And Dr. Cannon agreed with me yesterday when I spoke to her. She said absolutely she would never put him under anesthesia unless it was a life or death situation and you were looking at euthanasia as an option anyway, and you just wanted to give it one last chance to say you did everything, then she would consider putting a dog like him under anesthesia. But for something like a neuter or a dental, absolutely not. No way. And it's more so because of his trachea issues. as opposed to his heart issues. Because these little guys do not do well under anesthesia when they have trachea issues. What you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you gonna make yourself comfortable in Senna's babies? Is that what you're doing? Is that what you're doing? You could basically morph into one of her babies. You're small enough. You would just look like another one in this bed. Yes, you would. And yes, she is still staring at me. Hi, Mommy. What are you doing up there? What you doing, Senna? What you doing? You want to come see your friend? Hi, Senna. Hi. What are you doing, Otto? You look like one of the stuffies. You look like one of the babies. Yes, you do. I know. Sweet little Otto. He's such a good little boy. And he deserves a forever loving home. Right? That's right. That's right. Hi. He's so adorable. I can't stand it. I'm so in love with this little guy. What you doing up there, Mommy? What you doing up there? You playing with one of your toys? You playing with your babies up there? Are you playing with your babies? I see you. I see you, Senna. Senna, Senna, Senna. Otto, I know you just want to be in my lap. Okay, we'll put you in my lap. And then we'll move closer to Senna. Hi, Mommy. What are you doing? What you doing? What are you doing, sweet girl? Are you playing with your toys? Are you playing with your babies? What was that? What was that? You playing with your babies? Is that your baby? Is this your baby? Is this your baby? That's your baby. That's your baby. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Baby on the head. You flea biting your baby. Are you flea biting your baby? Where's your other baby? Where's the other one? Let me see. Here we go. Uh-oh. Look. There's another baby. There's another baby. Is it baby? Is it my baby? Is it my baby? Oh, kiss her, kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. What's he doing? What's he doing? Is he on your bed? He looks like one of your babies, doesn't he? He looks like one of your babies. Am I boring you? Am I boring you, Mommy? Hi. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Mine. You doing the flea bites? What's he doing? What's your friend doing? What's your friend doing? Are you playing with that baby now? I'll put this one over here. How about this one? You want to play with this one? Our beautiful Senna. She has come so far. She still has a long way to go, but she has come very, very far. Senna, who was found as a stray, taken to Miami-Dade Animal Services, where she was beyond terrified. She wouldn't eat, she wouldn't lift her head, she wouldn't make eye contact. She was saved by another rescue from the shelter. They were transporting her directly to a foster home where she got loose during the transport. She found herself running, scared, terrified for 5 days. Our rescue put up flyers, posted all over social media, hired private investigator Jamie Katz and her tracking dogs. Luckily, on day 5, we got a phone call, a tip of an injured dog in an apartment complex. Not knowing that it was going to be Senna, they sent a photo over to Amy. She recognized it was indeed Senna. We all ran over there. We brought the trap, hot rotisserie chicken, and by the grace of God, we were able to trap her and bring her into safety after running scared for 5 days by herself. We brought her straight to the emergency vet. She was emaciated. She was running a high fever. She was limping. And she was heartworm positive and unspayed. And absolutely positively terrified. Once she got a clean bill of health, able to leave the hospital, we brought her here to our rescue house where she has been ever since, in her room here. When we first brought her here, she would lay in that bed with her face pressed against the wall, not making eye contact with anybody, not lifting her head up, not getting up. She had to be carried in and out of this room every time we would take her out to go potty. We would put her down outside. She would go right where we put her down, not move, not walk. We'd have to pick her back up, bring her back into the safety of her room, where she would again press her face against the wall, not make eye contact, and not move. It took weeks for her to gain trust enough to look at us. It took months for her to gain trust to be able to walk in and out of this room on her own. She still has her issues. Lately, a neighbor of ours has been extra loud and active, which has caused her to kind of revert backwards, with not wanting to go outside, being terrified to leave the room again. We know it was because there was a screaming child over there, a lot of banging doors, just a lot of commotion, which had really put some fear back into her again. We are trying to show her that even though it is loud, it is not going to hurt her. get her back on track of not being afraid to go out. Her little friend here has kind of been instrumental in that aspect. She really has taken to Otto. So I believe that she is helping him overcome, or he is helping her overcome, some of her fear issues, because she will follow him. Is that your friend down there? Is that your friend down there? You see him? You see him down here? She needs a very responsible, safe home, a quiet home. She needs somebody that is going to understand her needs. She needs somebody that is going to be patient, comforting, loving. And she is not going to be the typical adoption where somebody comes here, sees her and says, I want her, and we do a home check and bring her to your home. You're going to have to come a few times to meet her, because we won't do that to her. We're not going to just put her in a new position, in a new home with somebody she does not know, because that will destroy her. She will just find a place under a bed or find some place where she will retreat to, and Lord knows how long it would take her to come out. So whoever wants to adopt this beautiful girl will have to understand that they might have to make a few trips here to the rescue house to just spend time with her and start the bonding process here in her safe space before she could ever be moved into somebody's home. We know that person is out there. It might take us a little bit longer than normal to find them, but we know that special person is out there. And they are going to have to be very special, because she is very special. She is a beautiful, beautiful soul who has been through the unimaginable. Hi. What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, my little Otto? What are you doing, my little Otto? I got your friend down here. You want to come see your friend? You want to come see your friend? Let's see if she'll come off the couch. I know I have the phone on, so probably not, but we'll try. Let me back up. Hi, Otto. Hi, Otto. Hello, Otto. Hello, my little guy. That's my little guy. Hi, you. You want to come down? All done. Come see your friend. Come see your friend, Mommy. Come on. Come here. Where's Otto? Where'd you go? You behind me now? Come here. Come here. Where's the Otto? Where is he? Here he is. You come see him? You can come say hi to him? Oh, I'm getting Otto kisses. You want Otto kisses? Do you want Otto kisses? Come on, Mommy. Senna. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, I know you love this rug, don't you, Otto? You love this rug. Hi, buddy. Hi, Munchkin. These two are so very special. Yes, they are. Mama, you want to come see Otto? You want to come see Otto? You want to come see your friend? She is very comfy with all of her babies. She loves her couch. She loves her babies. Her bed, all her babies. That bed with her babies. She's got some babies up there. She's not spoiled much. No, not at all. But she deserves it. Hey, Munchkin. Hello. Hi, my Otto. Hi, Otto. Like a little peanut. My little munchie-chee. There's my little munchie-chee. He's like this little round ball of perfectness. Right? That's right. Yes, you are. So on this rainy, nasty Friday, I wanted to jump on and just give you a little update and show you how little Otto is doing. And of course, the beautiful Senna, who is on her way to dreamland at the moment. She's sufficiently bored with me. And if you are just jumping on, when I turn this off, you can jump back on to the beginning. And I'm praying it clicked on fast enough to at least see a small portion of the two of them playing. Because I was trying to get live, and it was taking forever for it to come on. So I'm hoping I at least caught a little bit of it in the beginning. So I am going to sign off now so Senna can peacefully drift into dreamland and get her afternoon nap on this rainy Friday. And this little guy as well. If you are interested in Otto or Senna, you can send us an email to 100plusabandoneddogs@gmail.com. You can give us a call at 877-506-8100. Hi, beautiful. You gonna take a nap? You gonna take a nap, sweetheart? Are you looking to see your Senna? Are you looking to see your Senna up there? Your friend's here. Your friend's down here. Just so sweet. Just so sweet. So again, if you are interested in either one of them, 100plusabandoneddogs@gmail.com is our email address. Or you can call us at 877-506-8100. Hope you enjoy the rest of your Friday. We are going to take a nap on this rainy Friday with sweet Senna and adorable little Otto. Where's your face? There it is. 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida. Happy Friday.